How to password protect Elementor website. So what you're gonna have to do is simply install a new plugin, which is this one here. So let me show you. So you're gonna have to go to add a new plugin, and then you're gonna have to search for the plus add-ons for Elementor. Now after you install this plugin, you're gonna have to go to settings, and then you're gonna have to simply search for protect, and then you're gonna have to enable this option. Now keep in mind that you're gonna need to have the pro version of this plugin in order to be able to use this feature. Then you're gonna have to go to your Elementor dashboard here, select the page, and it's gonna look something similar to this. So you're gonna have to simply search for the widget which is called protect content, and then you're gonna have to simply choose if you want this to be a single password, multiple password, or limited access to specific users roles. And then you can add a text like this, and it's gonna look something similar to this, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.